Hello, welcome to Linear AutoCAD tutorials. Don't forget to like this video and share it if you find it useful. And also subscribe to our channel for more design videos. In this video, we're going to be understanding how to use the single line text. The single line text is used for very short phrases and short words. Now to activate your single line text, you can use the shortcut text on your keyboard, T-E-X-T, and you enter to activate your single line text, or you can go to your home tab. You can see under the annotation panel, click on the drop down, you have multi-line text and you have single line text. You select the single line text. Now the first request from AutoCAD is for you to specify a start point for the text. Click here and this is your start point. Now it wants you to specify the rotation angle. You could give a rotation angle of 0. If you don't want it to be at a rotation angle, you can just enter. If you want it to rotate, you can give a rotation angle of whatever angle you want it to rotate at. So we could say enter for 0. After you use the enter key, you can see that you are permitted to type. We could type something and say today. Let's say today is bright. Let's say today is bright. That's our text. After you're done typing your text, you can just escape. Your text remains there and escape again. If you want to edit your single line text, all you need to do is bring your cursor to where you have a single line text and use your left click to double click. And as you can see, you can still edit this. We just put a full stop there and we can enter. Then we have our text and we can escape. That would be all for the single line text. If you found this video useful, don't forget to share it to someone who may need it, like the video, and also comment on the type of videos you want to see subsequently on our channel. Thank you for watching.